Guys, we did it. We moved to LA. I'm just kidding. This is the Airbnb I am staying at. It is so cute and so chic. I'm gonna give you a little tour. The bed, the couch. Just love the little like accent pieces. Kitchen. It's like a little like bedroom studio thing. And the bathroom. I took a shower already. It's kind of already a mess, but there's Aesop soap. That's so fancy. And the shower is just so beautiful too. Ta-da! My goal one day is just to be able to move to LA like this and just have a space of my own like this. That's super cute, but you know, still at home. One day. Look at, they even give me cute little towels. We have so many things to do in LA and I can't wait to show you guys this week's beautiful vlog and all the adventures that I do in LA. So let's get started. First things first, I need to do my hair because I just took a shower. I just got here. We just landed into LA and I already have an event at 6 p.m. and it's currently 3. So we're gonna get ready for that and I can't wait to show you guys. Let's get started. First, gonna start off with a hydrating base. I love this electrolyte cream from Cocokind. I'm almost out of it actually. I have two options for my base, House Labs or Parnell Cushion Foundation. I might go for the cushion foundation. Okay, I'm done. This is my outfit. This is the same outfit that I posted on my Instagram story the other day and I was like, guys, should I get this dress? And a majority of you guys said yes and I really like it. Ta-da! And I was thinking we could style it with my favorite boots. I feel like these boots, I love them so much. I wear them all the time, but it's because they're so versatile and I feel like they just look good with everything. Ta-da! I want to show you guys. I forgot to put my contacts in. No wonder, I'm like, I can't even see you guys. But this is the outfit. Yay!
I know it's a camera. Is that camera worth it? I like it.
As you can see, I have this leftover taco because my friend Aporva and Paige, they let me have their leftover taco from last night because I was gonna be so hungry in the morning and I haven't had time to get groceries while I'm here. So they gave me a taco and a croissant. Actually 2, I just ate one. So I'm gonna use that to sustain myself as I'm finishing up and editing some of my videos. I'm so happy to be in LA and have some friends here to help take care of me. So today we're just gonna go eat lunch. I don't think I have anything in particular, but eat lunch, catch up on work. Yeah. Smile. Oh my god, I did not expect that. I just walked in. That was fate. Wait, I want to see what this one is. Oh, Tyra.
That sounds
Pineapple. Wait, should we get one of these and then?
Yeah. I'm down.
Wait, that looks fire. Taste test. That's good. That one's better though.
That's so good.
That's so good. This is a Tyler smoothie.
That one's more like a sherbet.
Yeah, I like the other one better. I'm back home. I'm really tired. I had so much fun today in LA. Got to explore LA with my friends, and we went to the USC campus, which was so nice, by the way. Such beautiful campus. I can't even imagine going to a school that beautiful and so big. That was really fun. We got an erewhon smoothie. We kind of explored like the Beverly Hills area. Oh my gosh, that area is so nice. Manifesting our lives like that in the future. But yeah, now I'm gonna wash up and go to bed. I still have like a whole nother week to go, so guys, this is our first Waymo experience. What? There's no driver. It's just wow. Wait, this is so scary. What? Oh wait, that looks good, right?
That looks really good. Oh my gosh, do you like... No, I'm assuming you don't have any products in your hair?
No. That was so fun. They did my hair and I grabbed a muffin. I couldn't grab a matcha latte for my mom. Sorry, mom. I'm gonna go find my mom now. I don't know where she is. I think she went to the mall. Yay! There's nothing better than like walking around with fresh hair. Now I just feel like I have to go do something, you know? Hi guys, I just got my hair done, but I put it up because I didn't want to get dirty in the LA air. But it looks so good. It's so soft and so shiny. And now my mom and I are eating salmon ikurodon and churashidan. This is what we usually get. Watch out, watch out. And tomorrow we have our last two important events and I'm super excited. My mom told me to wash my hair before the event. She's like, you can't go like with dirty hair. But I washed my hair last night. So I was like, okay, my mom's right. And then today they're like, yeah, we're gonna wash your hair. I was like, oh my god, I just washed it, but it's fine. Now I have extra triple wash hair. They use a scalp scrub and then like shampoo and a conditioner. Don't you like my hair? It's really pretty. Good morning! Today is the last day of LA and this is my outfit. I'm debating if I should wear my glasses. Glasses or no glasses? Got this cute denim set. I want to show you guys like the full outfit. Oh. Today we're eating lunch with Tower 28 and yeah, can't wait to see you guys there. Okay, I decided to put my contacts in because I don't know, lately I haven't been wearing my contacts because it kind of triggers my anxiety a little bit. I kind of feel like I'm suffocating. So I don't know, it's definitely a very special occasion thing. Wow, it is quite a beautiful day today. Look at the clouds. Yay! When I go to events like this, they usually send like an Uber code so they can help me get from point A to point B, and this one was kind of expensive. So I'm gonna have to see if I have enough money to get back home, or else I might be stranded in Venice by myself.
I messed up your pickup.
Oh. It's okay?
Yeah, hold on for a second.
No worries. So cute. Oh, it's like rocky. Oh, this is so romantic.
You have to send me this. I'm scared. Dude. I don't think we'll get anywhere if I do it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, we're exploring our house now. Oh my god.
Oh, wait.
To have some money for But what a beautiful house. The staircase is crazy.
I know. House tour. Wait, I feel so bad. Are we allowed to wear shoes in the house?
Yeah.
Oh.
I know, I'll say should. Come on, creator.